Ever wonder why some companies soar while others struggle? What's the secret ingredient that separates the best from the rest? It's not just about what you do, but who you have doing it. This video is your guide to a game-changing approach to hiring, one that can genuinely transform your career and your life, whether you're a manager, an entrepreneur, or anyone who cares about building a winning team. We're diving deep into the core principles of Who, the A Method for Hiring by Geoff Smart and Randy Street. This isn't just another HR strategy. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about people and their impact on success. The book argues that many leaders focus on the what's the strategies, products, processes, but often neglect the most critical element, the who's, the people who make it all happen. Smart and Street drive home a powerful point. It doesn't matter what systems, processes, brand, intellectual property, technology, or other assets you have if you hire the wrong guy, he'll destroy them all. It doesn't matter what you have in place if you recruit the appropriate guy, because he'll figure it out and make it work. The cost of ignoring this who imperative is staggering. Studies show that a single mishire can cost a company $1.5 million or more a year. Some estimates suggest it could be as high as 15 times an employee's base salary. Beyond the financial hit, bad hires kill team morale, damage customer relationships, and derail strategic goals. And here's a scary fact. The typical hiring success rate for managers is only around 50%. That means half of all hiring decisions result in underperformance. So what's the solution? Smart and Street introduce the A Method for Hiring, a practical framework based on extensive research, including interviews with billionaires and CEOs. They claim a remarkable 90% success rate when the method is implemented correctly. Central to this method is the concept of the A player. An A player isn't just someone with the right skills. It's someone who has at least a 90% chance of achieving outcomes that only the top 10% of candidates could achieve. It's about finding individuals who are not only skilled, but also aligned with the company culture and passionate about the role. The core idea is simple. Prioritize the who's, and the what's will naturally fall into place. Before we dive into the A method, let's expose the common pitfalls, the voodoo hiring methods that lead to those dismal 50% success rates. These are the flawed approaches that rely on gut feelings, irrelevant questions, and a lack of preparation. The book identifies 10 common voodoo hiring methods. The art critic, relying on gut instinct. The sponge, unstructured group interviews. The prosecutor, aggressive questioning. The suitor, overselling the company, underassessing the candidate. The trickster, using gimmicks. The animal lover, asking irrelevant questions. The chatterbox, unproductive friendly conversations. The psychological and personality tester, over-reliance on tests. The aptitude tester, focusing solely on specific skills. The fortune teller, asking hypothetical what-if questions. These methods often stem from time pressure or an overestimation of intuitive judgment. The fundamental flaw is the assumption that it's easy to assess a person. Now let's get to the heart of the A method, a 4-step framework for hiring excellence. Scorecard, source, select, and sell. The scorecard is the foundation. It's a detailed blueprint for success in a specific role, going beyond a traditional job description. It defines tangible outcomes and necessary competencies. The scorecard has 3 key components. Mission, a concise summary of the job's core purpose. Outcomes, specific, measurable results the person must achieve. Competencies, the skills and behaviors needed to succeed, including role-based and cultural competencies. A well-crafted scorecard ensures alignment, communicates expectations, and provides a benchmark for evaluation. It's a living document that should be reviewed and updated regularly. Once you know who you need, the next step is finding them. The source phase emphasizes a proactive approach to talent acquisition. The key principle, always be looking for talent. Referrals are the most potent tool. This includes personal and professional networks, employee referrals, and business contacts. Effective networking is key. Set personal recruiting goals and regularly ask, who are the most talented people you know that I should hire? When using external recruiters, treat them as strategic partners. Finally, manage your talent pipeline with a dedicated system. With a scorecard and a pool of potential candidates, the select step focuses on rigorously identifying A players. The A method uses a structured, multi-interview process. Screening interview, a brief initial interview to filter out B and C players. Key questions focus on career goals, strengths, weaknesses, and references. The Who interview, also known as the top grading interview, a comprehensive chronological exploration of the candidate's career history. It uses 5 core questions for each job. What were you hired to do? What accomplishments are you most proud of? What were some low points? Who were the people you worked with? And why did you leave? The threat of reference check is a key tactic. Focused interview, shorter interviews to delve deeper into specific outcomes or competencies from the scorecard. Reference interview, a crucial step to validate information and gather third-party perspectives. Aim for around 7 references and ask open-ended questions. After the interviews, the hiring team completes the scorecards for each candidate, evaluating both skill and will. Candidates are graded as A, B, or C players. Identifying an A player is only half the battle. The sell phase recognizes that top candidates have options and need to be persuaded. The sell phase is continuous, with 5 waves of selling: during sourcing, during interviews, between offer and acceptance, between acceptance and the first day, and during the first 100 days. To effectively sell the opportunity, use the 5 F's: fit, family, freedom, fortune, and fun. Tailor your communication to the candidate's motivations. Adopting the A method requires a cultural shift and leadership buy-in. The book outlines 10 practical steps. Make people a top priority. Follow the A method yourself. Build support among your executive team or peers. Cast a clear vision. Train your team on best practices. Remove barriers that impede success. Implement new policies that support the change. Recognize and reward those who use the method and achieve results. Remove managers who are not on board. Celebrate wins and plan for more change. The goal is to make talent acquisition a strategic imperative owned by all leaders. The A method offers significant benefits, including increased hiring success rates, enhanced performance, cost reduction, and reduced bias. However, it also has potential challenges. It's time-intensive, may require adaptation for different roles, and needs careful candidate experience management. Compared to traditional hiring, the A method is more structured and data-driven. It incorporates elements of behavioral and competency-based interviewing, but provides a more holistic framework. The central message of Who, the A method for hiring, is clear. Prioritize the who. Building a team of A players creates a powerful engine for growth. The A method provides a framework to move beyond the traditional 50% failure rate and achieve a 90% success rate. By embracing this approach, organizations can build the talented teams necessary to achieve their most ambitious goals. If you'd like to explore these ideas in more depth, the link to the book will be in the description box below.